Hi, and welcome back to RT Reporting. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect to your first Xero org, which the good news is it's very easy to do so within RT Reporting. So once you've logged into your account, you're going to land on the organization's dashboard here. And to connect your first Xero organization, just simply hover over the tile here saying Connect New Organization and hit on the plus button. And then click on Connect to Xero. This will then take you across to Xero where you will be able to log in, and then you will have a few more options, I'm guessing, than what we have here. You may have a drop down of a list of relevant entities that you would like to sync across. Once you've made that selection, just click on Allow Access. This will then take this client back to RT Reporting, where you will then be told, congratulations, you've just synced an organization to RT Reporting. That syncing will commence, and in the meantime, we can proceed to select the default accounts to get this all set up for forecasting and reporting. The good news is that the way RT Reporting works with Xero is that it's already automatically filled a lot of the default accounts for you. But if you are seeing some accounts saying, please select an account, what you need to do is hover over and click on please select an account for the relevant account that needs that. And the bank accounts will probably often be one of those because quite often entities have more than one bank account. All you need to do is just select the main bank account for that client. This is primarily for forecasting purposes. So any scenarios that you add into future forecasts, they'll be going through that one bank account. But RT Reporting does bring across all of the relevant bank accounts to that entity. It's just for the scenario purposes that it's requiring you to select the default or the main account. What you'll notice here as well is the GST rate has automatically been picked up. So in the UK, the VAT, it would say, and New Zealand would obviously have a different GST rate. And what you can do now is go into the optional accounts. So the required accounts, if you haven't filled in all of those, it won't allow you to save and close and start building forecasts. Whereas with the optional accounts, these are optional of whether you want them included or not within your forecasts and reports. So for example, let's say you wanted to have the superannuation picked up. You would come in here and make those relevant selections. Obviously in New Zealand, it's called KiwiSaver. And that's the same for the other accounts here, like the income tax payable and expenses. What you do notice is the superannuation rate is also automatically picked up. And the last thing just to let you know about is the default payable and receivable days. So you can adjust these on an account by account level within your forecasts. But if you did want to set up a default for the payable or receivable days, you can also do that here. Once these selections have been made, then you can hit save and close. And as you can see here, RT Reporting will be synced shortly. And because we're quite a small file, this is already synced. Just bear in mind that for some of your larger clients, or if you are working in with a large entity, this syncing process may take a little bit of time. And once it's done, though, the great news is that RT Reporting will sync with Xero automatically every single night. So that initial sync may take a bit of time, but after that, it's really just a couple of seconds and at nighttime automatically taking place. What you can do is if during the day you've made some changes within Xero, some reconciliations, you can hit on refresh and that will go in and grab the most recent data for that client. So congratulations, I should say. You've synced your first Xero client. In the upcoming videos, we're going to show you how to white label RT Reporting, build out your first forecasts, and start looking at some insights produced within the platform as well. And I look forward to showing you all of this soon. Thank you.